Hello everyone, I'm so glad you're joining me today. Welcome! I'm excited to guide you through this workout. Today, we're starting a simple, yet effective 30-minute home workout. We'll make the most of every second. No fancy equipment needed, which is great news. Just a little space and a positive attitude. That's all we need to get started. This is perfect for beginners, so don't worry if you're just starting out. So if you're new to fitness, you're in the right place. We'll take it slow and steady. We'll focus on moving our bodies, getting the blood flowing, boosting energy, and feeling more alive, and feeling great. That's the ultimate goal, isn't it? Life is busy, I understand that completely. So this workout is short, sharp, and efficient, and designed to fit your schedule. No excuses. Every minute counts, so let's make each one worthwhile. Let's make it fun and rewarding. Enjoyment is key to sticking with it. Forget complicated routines, we're keeping things simple today. This is fitness made simple. Easy to understand, easy to follow, you can do this anywhere, that's the beauty of it. Living room perfect, bedroom why not, or even your garden. Fresh air is a bonus. I'll guide you through each step so you don't have to worry about a thing. Focusing on good form and safety. That's paramount to avoid injuries. This is about building healthy habits that last. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Put on your favorite music, whatever gets you motivated. Find your spot, your happy place for the next 30 minutes. And get ready to move. Let's get that body moving and grooving. Remember your motivation, why you decided to do this today. Whether it's more energy, confidence, or stress relief, or just feeling better. All those reasons are valid and important. Every time you show up, you're investing in yourself. That's something to be proud of. Your health matters, it's the foundation for everything else, and you deserve this time, you're worth it. Let's have fun and get a good sweat on together. Are you ready to feel amazing? I'm with you every step of the way. Let's do this together. Ready to start? Let's go. I'm so excited for you. Take a deep breath and get excited for what's ahead. You've got this. This is your journey, your time to shine. Let's make it amazing. Let's make it unforgettable. Let's begin. Time to get started and crush this workout. What does low impact mean? It's simple. Gentle on your body with at least one foot on the ground. This protects your knees, ankles, and hips, making it perfect for beginners. Low impact reduces injury risk and helps your body adapt safely. Don't mistake low impact for low intensity. You'll still get your heart pumping and burn calories. We'll keep the pace up, moving from one exercise to the next. These workouts build strength, burn fat, and boost confidence. Anyone can do them, no matter your age or fitness level. You'll notice improvements every day, and that's what keeps you going. Embrace low impact. It's your secret weapon for safe, effective fitness. Ready to warm up? Let's get started. Let's move. Alright, let's get started. Time to warm up those muscles. Never, ever skip this crucial step. It's the foundation for a great workout. A good warm-up is absolutely essential. It gets your blood flowing, delivering much-needed oxygen to your muscles, and prepares your body for the action ahead. Think of it as waking up your body. We'll dedicate a focused 5 minutes to getting our bodies fully ready. This investment of time will pay off in the long run. We're going to start with marching on the spot. It's a simple yet effective way to elevate your heart rate. Stand tall with good posture, lift your knees nice and high, and swing your arms rhythmically for a full 60 seconds. Really get those arms moving. It's important to focus on your breathing throughout the warm-up. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs, and then exhale slowly and completely through your mouth. Next up, we have arm circles. Position your feet shoulder-width apart for stability. Extend your arms straight out to the sides, and make small, controlled circles forward for 30 seconds. Keep your movement smooth, then reverse the direction, and make small circles backward for another 30 seconds. This exercise effectively wakes up your shoulder muscles and gets you nice and loose, improving your range of motion. Now let's move on to leg swings. Find a wall or sturdy object to hold onto for balance and support, and gently swing one leg forward and backward, focusing on controlled movements for 30 seconds. Then switch to the other leg and repeat. This dynamic stretch opens up your hips, increasing flexibility, and effectively warms up your hamstring muscles, preparing them for more intense activity. To finish off our warm-up, we'll do torso twists for 30 seconds. This will gently wake up your core muscles and improve spinal mobility. By now, you should be feeling noticeably warmer, more flexible, and fully ready to tackle the workout ahead. Remember, warming up is a crucial step that helps prevent injuries and ensures your workout is smoother, more effective, and more enjoyable. Throughout the warm-up and the workout to come, it's important to keep your movements controlled and steady. Avoid rushing through the exercises. Try to enjoy the process. Remember, this is just the start of something great for your health and well-being. Take a moment to get your mind fully focused and your body ready to move with intention and purpose. We're almost ready for the main event, the core of our workout. If you need it, take a quick sip of water to stay hydrated and refreshed. Alright, let's get right into the workout. You're doing awesome so far, let's go. Alright team, let's get ready to rumble. Here we go, the main event. We're about to kickstart our fat-burning journey, so bring on the energy and let's make every second count. We'll do a circuit one exercise after another, moving seamlessly from station to station. This is where the magic happens, folks. 40 seconds work, 20 seconds rest. Push yourself during those work intervals and use the rest to recover and prepare for the next challenge. 2 rounds total. Grab water during rests. Hydration is key to peak performance, so don't forget to sip and replenish. First, modified star jumps. A great way to warm up the body and get the blood flowing. Step side to side, arms overhead, engaging your core and shoulders as you move. Alternating feet, keep that rhythm going. This gets your heart rate up, preparing your body for the work ahead, and works your whole body. A fantastic way to kickstart your metabolism. Next, squats. A fundamental exercise for lower body strength. Feet shoulder width, chest up, maintaining a strong and stable base. Lower down like sitting in a chair, then stand. Feel the burn in those glutes and thighs. Focus on form. Knees over toes, protecting your joints and maximizing the effectiveness of the exercise. Back straight, keep that spine aligned. Then wall press-ups, a great modification for building upper body strength. Stand arms length from a wall, hands wide, creating a stable base for the movement. Lower chest to wall, push back. Engage those chest and arm muscles. This builds upper body strength, targeting your chest, shoulders, and triceps, without wrist strain. A gentle yet effective way to work your upper body. Remember, go at your own pace and keep moving. Consistency is key to achieving your fitness goals. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. It's all about finding what works best for you. These moves build strength and burn fat, a powerful combination for a healthier you. Keep your core engaged throughout. This will help stabilize your body and protect your spine. You're doing great, keep it up, I know you can do it. After this, we'll move to the next set of exercises. Get ready for another round of challenges. Stay focused and have fun. Remember, fitness should be enjoyable. Every rep counts. You're stronger than you think. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Let's keep going. We're in this together. Ready for the next round? Let's do it. Bring on the energy and let's crush this workout. You're halfway through. Keep that energy high. Next, reverse lunges. Step back, lower both knees, push off to return, alternate legs. Great for glutes, quads, and balance. Now standing crossbody crunches. Hands behind head, lift knee across body, twist elbow to meet knee, alternate sides. This works your core without getting on the floor. Last, glute bridges. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat, lift hips, squeeze glutes, lower down, strengthens your bum and lower back. That's one round. Take a 60-second rest, grab water, and breathe. We'll repeat the circuit one more time. Focus on form and push a little more if you can. The goal is to finish strong. You've got this. Ready for round 2? Let's go. Keep moving and stay positive. You're smashing it. Let's finish strong. You did it. The main workout is done. Now let's cool down and stretch. Cooling down helps your body recover and reduces soreness. Start with a quad stretch. Stand, grab your foot, pull heel to glute, hold 30 seconds each side. Next, hamstring stretch. Sit. One leg out, reach forward, hold 30 seconds, switch legs. Finally, chest stretch. Clasp hands behind your back, lift arms, open your chest, hold 30 seconds. Breathe deeply and relax into each stretch. These moves help flexibility and recovery. Take this time to appreciate your effort. You've worked hard. Be proud. Stretching helps you feel better tomorrow. Hydrate and enjoy the feeling of accomplishment. Your 30-minute workout is complete. You should feel incredible. Take a moment to reflect on your progress. Well done. You did amazing. Let's get ready for next time. You've completed your first 30-minute fat-burning home workout. Take a moment to enjoy that sense of accomplishment. Every workout is a step toward your goals. Consistency is key. Aim for 3 to 4 sessions a week. Some days will be easier than others, but just start. You'll often find the energy to finish. Share your journey with friends or family for extra motivation. Celebrate every win, no matter how small. Remember, fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. Fuel your body well, stay hydrated, and get enough rest. You're building a healthier lifestyle one step at a time. Be proud of your progress. You have the power to transform your health. I believe in you. Keep going. Have a fantastic day. You've earned it. See you next time.